Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 and Warzone just got released, and you are looking right now where you can display your ping, your latency and your GPU, for example. So first go to the top right to your settings wheel, then go all the way down to interface. Click on it and now 3 different big options appear: global, readability, gameplay HUD. Then we want to stay on global and go to the telemetry setting. On default, it's on all off. Right here you can switch between essentials, all on and custom. As you can see, if you hover over it, you can see on the top left corner the displayed settings. Click on custom and now you can click on show more, and right here you can enable the FPS counter, the server latency and the package lost, for example. As you can see, sometimes it bugs a little bit. So what you can do is to click on all on, and now you can just turn the unwanted ones off, and now the wanted one stays and are visible. Down here you also have the option to display in-game alert icons for your network or your hardware. I think it's a good option to see if your computer is overheating or your internet is unstable. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have problems to hear steps in Warzone, click on this video right now and it will get fixed in a few seconds.